Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you that how to remove sound from a video using CapCut. It's super easy and quick. So let's get started. Okay, so the first step you have to do is to open up the CapCut app on your device and then select the video clip which you wanted to remove the sound from. And now you will see your video clip in the timeline at the bottom. Tap on the video to select it. And now you will see several options at the bottom. Swipe right until you find the volume option. Once you find it, tap on it. And now you can adjust your volume according to your requirement. And if you wanted to mute your video completely, scroll the slider towards 0. And once done, tap on the check mark at the bottom right corner of the screen. And this is how you can mute your video in CapCut. And there is also another way to remove the sound from your video in CapCut. For that, you have to select your timeline again. And now swipe right until you find the extract audio option. And once you find it, tap on it. And now it will extract the audio from your video clip. Tap on the audio track. And now you have to simply tap on delete. And that's it. You have successfully removed the sound from your video in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.